And I'd like y'all to know that our office is right south of Highway 20 on 35, and we're really targeting the Fort Worth area, and the Fort Worth area is very receptive to solar. We are your premier solar installer. We're looking forward to helping you out. This is a beautiful home, beautiful neighborhood. There's actually a lot of solar in the area, and we've done a lot of solar in this zip code. So this is a great area. If you live in this area, I definitely recommend at least looking into solar, see if it's a good option for you. We are finding that there's some higher energy rates here. Some people we're coming in and looking at finding some 15-cent energy rates, and the solar is really making sense here. We have some very nice sized roofs where we can throw on a solar system that's perfectly positioned in the sun, and you might be one of those candidates. So we'd love to talk with you and show you your options and get you a quote.